What's up, everybody? Aces Beam here, and today we got a tutorial video. It's been a little while since I've done a tutorial video, but this is actually mainly to help the one of the homies, because he asked me how to do a certain thing, and it's file transferring to different devices. Now, for like the PlayStation, it's a lot more complicated, right? But this is specifically how to transfer files from your computer to your phone, specifically video files, but then it also works from transferring video files to the computer. So I will be showing you how to do that. Now, first things first, you need a charger cord. Now, what do I mean by a charger cord? Well, let me show you what I mean real quick. That's a Nintendo Switch charger cord. I have an Android. If you have an iPhone, just grab an iPhone one. So I'm not gonna be using this one, but your charger cord, right? As your charging adapter, that's what you need, and a USB port, right? Now, if I were to show you here, right, I got my PC. Right there. This is my PC right here. Now, if you have a PC, it might say USB 2 or USB 3. To get this to work, you need to plug it into USB 3, right? But if you have a laptop, it'll just be any of your USB ports that you plug this into, right? Well, what's the next thing you do after that, right? Well, you plug your phone in, right? And for me, right, it'll show me at the top of my screen, right, a little notification. You swipe down, you see the notification. It's like, okay, what do you want to do with the phone? Tap it, right, and it'll give you charging, a couple other options, and transferring files. You want to press transfer files, right? And now I'm going to cut to the computer for the rest of this tutorial because we need to do that in order for you to show y'all what I'm talking about for this tutorial. Alright, so after you do everything I just told you to do, right, you want to open your files. Now the thing is, you're not going to see me open my files because I got some things I need to keep hidden for my music and future videos I have planned. So yeah, I'm just going to cut to where I open this and get this ready. So yeah, obviously with music, plug time. My Instagram and Twitter, memes, thoughts, and updates over there. Link in the description. And my Discord, link in the description as well. Go ahead and join it. And then on top of that, like I said, I make music. Go check it out. Link in the description. But yeah, let's cut to when I open up my files. Alright, so now I have opened up my files, and there's one thing you can notice. One, this is the current video being recorded, and two, I already have a 2-second clip ready as an example to transfer to my phone. And then on top of that, right, on your files, you'll see this when your phone's plugged in and has a transfer files setting there, right? Mine is a Moto E5 Play. Yeah, I know, old phone. I don't care. It does its job. Anyways, this is your phone, right? Whatever it is. So it could be your Galaxy phone, your iPhone, or whatever it is, right? Now, obviously, my storage situation isn't the best on my phone, hence why I've gone to PC to record my videos. That is simply mainly because of phone updates and all that. I really do need to upgrade, but hey. Then obviously I got my SD card that I just, I suck when it comes to making shit go to my SD card. Anyways, I've got the internal storage, so we're just gonna go in here, right? Got all your files. Now there's a lot more files here than there would be on, let's say, your on your phone. Exactly, this has a lot more files. Anyways, I'm gonna go to video here. Actually, let's look here, right? Where do we want to put this at? I'm gonna say video, right? It makes the most sense. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this video, I'm gonna drag it to Moto E5 Play. I'm gonna go into internal card, and then we're gonna just go down, and we see downloads. I'm actually put it in download because it's gonna be easier to find. So we'll put it in downloads, and it should now be in downloads. As you can see, it is in downloads. That is how you transfer files between your PC or your laptop to your phone.